Ashamed, think something new under the sun. You can't.
Right then, so first things first is to remove this and this. So what are we looking at there? 2.5 mil Allen key. Gently take these off. I'm going to scratch that nice brushed effect.
Ashamed, think something new under the sun. You can't take back them things you already done. No. You blame things that you do on somebody else. No. But they all see is you need help. Oh, but still you try so hard to cover up your games. You try so hard, hoping that one day something gon' change.
And what I will say about this Radiator cover is it actually lines up quite well. The foam strip that they provided will definitely need to be placed along here, and a couple of pieces down here as well, because when you position the cover, the holes actually line up quite well on the sides, but there's definitely going to need to be a little bit of foam there just to stop this scratching your radiator. So we'll get that foam on.
You waste all of your time covering up your tracks. Spend all your days running away. Now you gotta watch your back, and that's the facts. You spend so much of your life scheming and trying to get over. Got you wondering why you come around. All you get is cold shoulder. Yeah, you try so hard to cover up your games. You try so hard, hoping that one day something gon' change. You try so hard, yeah. You try so hard. You try so hard, yeah. You try so hard. Give me, can't run away, baby. You gon' pay, you gon' pay.
Okay, so just to replace these line back up there. I don't really like this actually. I mean, yes, it's industrial strength Velcro or whatever, but and I know they're screwed in, but it just doesn't feel right somehow. But there we are, that's me being fussy, isn't it? So they click back in all the way around. And then screw them back in.
Try so hard,
Right, hello. So, job well done. That's actually really worth the money, that radiator guard. Fits on there quite well, as I just showed you, but it actually really sets it off as well. It makes that front look so much better. Got a couple of other little things to come as well. So these mirrors are coming off. I've got some underbar mirrors, small diamond underbar mirrors to go on there. These mirrors are coming off, and I bought some little caps to screw into the top just to finish that off nicely. And I'm being sent an exhaust system on Monday, a full exhaust system, so that's going to be another video. I won't let you know who it is off just yet, but I'm going to do a whole video on that. So it's going to be completely taking off this system, headers all the way through, and fitting a complete brand new system. So that video will be coming real soon. I'm really excited about that because I just can't ride a bike with a Euro 4 cat. It just, a lot of people disagree with me and say it works fine. And it does work fine, but it just, for me, it's just not got the noise that I want. But what's good about this new system is I don't need to make any modifications at all. Don't need to fit a power commander, because the 2 lambda sensors on either side of the exhaust on this bike fit straight into the new exhaust system that I'm getting. So I'm really excited about doing that, to be fair. So yeah, it's coming together. Nice little tail tidy. I've got to take these horrible indicators off. Yes, I know you're supposed to have them. Indicators, not indicators, are they? Well, these little reflectors, these little amber reflectors. I know you're supposed to have those, but they look crap. So those are coming off, and I'm actually going to spray the tank. I know this is a really, really nice grey as well. It's metallic grey, and it's going to be absolute. It's a bit of a crime really to spray it, but I'm going to get it sprayed because I want this to be black. And I've got some ideas to do an original Honda. I think they called it the Sunset. The 3 original Honda colours, maybe along the side of the tank. I don't know. But I hate the fact that you have to mod a bike when you get it from the factory as well. You get these things and you just feel like the front mudguard, front fender. It's plasticky and horrible, and I know people wouldn't pay premium prices for these things, but I just hate the way they do that, and they just put all these nonsense bits on that just look shite. Anyway, there we go. So radiator cover on, tail tidy on. I didn't film myself taking the this off. That was the original piece that goes around the back wheel. I didn't film myself taking that off because I was in a bit of a rush to do it. But there are only 3 bolts holding that on. It's a little bit fiddly to get to. Obviously they're Torx head. There's 3 of them holding it on. 1, 2, 3. And the other thing is you do have to cut the wire for the light, for the number plate, which feels horrible having to do that on a brand new bike. But there we go. It doesn't matter at all because the wire can be rerouted under the seat to put a little light on my new holder, which I haven't done yet, but I will. So there we go. That's where we're at. Oh yeah. It definitely looks better, and we'll keep going and see where we get to. But mirrors are next, and exhaust system, and we'll see what else I can buy after that. Alright, cheers for watching guys, much appreciated. Please leave some feedback, please take some time to subscribe. I know I keep saying it, but it seems like it takes forever to get subscribers on YouTube, so we'll leave it at that. Cheers guys, see you soon, ride safe.
A shame, think something new under the sun. You can't